Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 2. That was a really quick week 1, but I think you guys are off to an awesome start. It was fun to get into the discussion board and get to know all of you. Great job with your introductions. And if you have not yet posted what was due last night for level 2, I sent you a message. I would love to see that today. If not, some emails. Let me know what's going on. I just want to make sure you guys are off to a strong start. Remember that I'm here to work with you. I'm not going to penalize right now. I just want to encourage and get us, like I said, get us going and get us off to a good start. I have been just lightly monitoring the book survey, and just so everybody knows, I think I've said it before, but for these first few discussions, levels, and whatnot, I'm sharing PDFs of the textbook. So if you're waiting for the textbook to arrive, if you're still dealing with like a financial hurdle, I have the resources here for you, and if you're going to need more, I'll be checking in on that very soon. But let's talk about what is due this week. So you are going to get that, or you already did, get that level 2 original post shared about a survey of literary history where you've read some of Russell's textbook. And by Tuesday, so by tomorrow night, you'll just get in there and reply to each other. And for now, do what you think is good work. Look at that tips for completing levels and earning treasure and try to decipher what some of that means. But I'll be leaving you comments so you can figure out a little bit more about what that means. And along with those comments, I will start grading pretty shortly. And again, when you look in the grade book, you're going to see for the level 1, it's just going to say level completed. There's no treasure. But for level 2, your access to treasure starts to become available. And if you don't get it for level 2, just listen to the comments. There are going to be lots of opportunities in the future. And it's pretty typical in the class that people miss the treasure for level 2. But then, if you're really interested in earning that A or B or, whatever it is for you, and you want to earn treasure, you'll likely get that level 3 and on. Speaking of level 3, due Thursday is your original post for level 3. This one is not going to involve the textbook. It's going to be a review of some really well-known literature with some YouTube read aloud videos. Quite a fun learning outcome for the course where we look at our attitudes about children and childhood in general and how these stories capture those attitudes and ideals. And by Sunday night, you will write replies to that discussion along with your level 4 original post, which is going to be a chapter from Russell about poetry. So everything will just, like I said, we'll just get this ball rolling. If you are off by a day, ahead, behind, that's going to be fine. This is our chance to sort of figure out how the course is going to work. I'm going to be flexible. If you get an email from me saying something is missing, it's not to cause you stress. It's just to check in with you, to let you know that I see and that I'm here to help you. And I'm really excited to see what you guys have to share in the discussions coming up. Okay, that should be all. If you need anything, send an email. I'll be pretty responsive throughout the week. Wednesdays I'm a little less responsive, but send your emails, your questions whenever you have them. Or just, if you don't have any, finish your work and move on to your other classes. I'm sure you have lots of other maybe difficult courses that you need to focus on too. This class, the learning should feel fun and easy once you get over maybe like the mental hurdle of having to read a textbook. So I hope you guys get over that soon. All right, I will talk to you soon.